So let's recap. In the previous video, we spoke about product design as a strategy to reduce Scope 3 emissions. Today, we'll dive into Scope 3 emissions relating to transport and distribution. By the end of this series, you'll know the key levers you can pull in your supply chain and, most importantly, what not to do. I'm Ashley Olsen, the founder of Evolveable Consulting. We provide sustainability and circular solutions to companies around the world. Today, we'll be talking about transport and distribution emissions in your value chain and what to look out for. So keep watching. So transport and distribution emissions are major contributors to Scope 3 emissions. Logistics can be a significant portion of a company's value chain emissions depending on the industry. The last couple of years have proven the disruption that can occur to logistics globally, which introduces risk to your company. There are a number of options for a company to review their transport-related emissions. In the short term, companies can review key suppliers and distributors or source locally where possible. You can use intelligent route planning systems and telemetry to increase accuracy of emission quantification, or they can switch to lower carbon intensive modes of transport and fuel sources. In the longer term, more strategic options can be executed, such as locating production as close to consumers as possible, eliminate any intermediate transport and change to a direct-to-consumer distribution model. Finally, as technologies mature, companies can look to source lower carbon intensive modes of transport. One thing to be wary of as you develop your sustainability strategy is with changing business models and increasing regulations around extended producer responsibility, some companies will need to think about the impact reverse logistics may have on their carbon footprint. Reverse logistics is a movement of goods from the customer back to the supplier to enable recovery and reuse of resources. The potential for this will depend on the volume of goods your company deals with. A logistics strategy is critical to ensure there are no rebound or reverse logistic effects, which will result in increased emissions. So logistics is typically an area where some easy Scope 3 emission reductions can be achieved. So to wrap this video up, we discussed three key areas: short-term related options for refining logistics and emission quantification, longer-term options regarding changing business strategies to reduce emissions, and finally, watch out for rebound effects or reverse logistics-related emissions if you're looking at take-back schemes related to your product. In the next video, we'll talk about product life extensions and alternate business models. So if you like this video, make sure to follow us on LinkedIn right now so you don't miss the future parts of this series. If you want assistance in developing strategies and solutions to minimize your transport and distribution emissions, please reach out to us through LinkedIn or head over to evolveable.com. Thank you.